In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore file versions on Google Drive. If you've ever overwritten an important document or wish you could roll back a folder to how it looked earlier, this walkthrough will help you safely recover an earlier state of your files without guesswork. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account for the drive you want to restore. Near the top right, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. This opens a panel with all your Google services. Choose Drive to open your Google Drive. Once Drive loads, look to the top right for the gear icon. That's your Settings menu. Click it to open the Quick Settings options. In this menu, select Restore File Versions. This takes you to Google Drive's Restore view, where you can choose a point in time to roll your files back to. On the Restore page, you'll see options to select a time. Think about when things were still in good shape, ideally just before the mistake or unwanted change happened. Pick that date and time carefully. Choosing a time that's too recent might not fix the issue, while going too far back could remove changes you still want to keep. If you're unsure, consider noting the current state or making copies of any crucial files before restoring so you can compare later. After you've selected the right time, click Restore to this time. Drive will begin reverting file versions to match how they were at the moment you selected. Depending on how many files you have and how much has changed, this can take a bit of time. Be patient and let the process complete. When it finishes, review your key folders and documents to confirm everything looks correct. A few practical tips as you work through this. If your goal is to fix just one document or a small number of files, you might prefer using version history on those files instead of restoring a broader time point. For Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, you can open the file and check its version history to roll back only that item. For other file types, Drive's Manage Versions on a single file can help. But when changes are widespread, the Restore File Versions option you just used is usually faster and more consistent. That's it. You've learned how to navigate to Drive, open the settings, choose Restore File Versions, select the right time, and confirm the restore. Take a moment to verify your content, and you'll be back on track.